Thanks for choosing Schoolmate Publishing as your classroom book publisher. Students should practice their writing and artwork on practice template sheets found in the printable material link on our webpage. When they're done, they can begin their final work on new printed pages or the hard copy pages provided in your publishing kit. The publishing kit contains 66 pages for your students' final work, plus a title page, dedication page, 2 personal pages, and a cover template. The majority of our customers use the first personal page to list the names of the students who contributed to the book. You'll need to complete and send all of this material back to Schoolmate. We'll print your pages and cover exactly as they appear, and we will not make any changes or corrections. Here are some tips to ensure your book looks its best. We recommend using color markers for artwork, but avoid using highlighters or neon markers, as well as gel pens, crayons, pencils, colored pencils, and paint. Markers create the best results, yet colors can smear and leave behind smudges or fingerprints. Remind students to wash their hands often and keep their workspaces clean. Other tips? Have them work from top to bottom or side to side, and allow each color to dry before using another color. Students should avoid erasing pencil marks since they may smudge. To cover any smudges, use correction tape. If a student makes a mistake that cannot be corrected, give him or her a replacement page from the publishing kit or print a new page from our website. Attach the appropriate page number from the replacement page numbers sticker sheet if needed. Make sure your hands are clean when pressing on replacement page numbers. Any dirt or ink that gets onto the page numbers will give them an outlined effect in your final book. You may include a wallet-sized photo of each student on his or her work. Please adhere with glue or rubber cement using original photos. Again, be sure to keep dirt, ink, or glue away from the edges of the photo. Do not attach photos with tape, and do not use photocopied photos. Writing should be in black marker or Sharpie on the students' writing pages. If needed, students can write lightly in pencil, and the teacher can then trace their writing with a black marker. If your students are typing text for their writing, use simple, easy-to-read fonts. Also, make sure the printer is full of toner before printing. Our presses cannot compensate for faint printouts. If you are using a photo for your cover, please upload the digital photo to us through our website. For best printing quality, we recommend files at 300 pixels per inch. For more information, review the digital photo specifications found on the printable material page. If you don't want to include personal pages, a title page, or dedication page, that's okay. Simply leave these pages blank and return them with your completed final pages. This will ensure each student's artwork and writing appear side by side rather than front to back. Finally, allow any glue and colors on pages to dry before stacking them. This will help prevent pages from sticking together and reduce the chance of colors rubbing onto another page. When you're finished, reuse the publishing kit box to ship your completed book material. Follow the instructions on the large payment envelope, add it to the box, and ship everything to Schoolmate using the prepaid UPS label. The shipping's on us. Thank you for choosing Schoolmate as your partner in publishing your classroom book.